We're here today at Wilkin Sons fruit farm and jam factory in Tiptree, Essex. The factory here has been in existence for more than 100 years. We've been fortunate enough today to be taken on a farm tour to see the growing of the strawberries and the quince and other fruit. And inside the factory we've seen some traditional jam making techniques brought up to date with some very modern procedures that are making some wonderful product that we've also been allowed to taste. This is a real privilege for IFST members to be able to see the production processes that go on in today's modern food industry. We're also fortunate enough to visit other production plants around the UK, and this is, I see, one of the big benefits of being an IFST member.
It's been a great visit throughout and really pleased to have come. I've been a member since the 1980s, and over the years I've been to a variety of events, factory visits of different sorts and conferences and so on, and I found them all very beneficial. I've learnt a lot, they've been interesting. Today, in fact, the guides were really knowledgeable and gave us an in-depth tour.